We continue with sum number 11b of exercise 16.3 of mensuration. We are doing circles. So sum number 11b, they are given you a figure which is concentric circles. So there is this concentric circles over here. This is the center. Right. It is given that in the figure given below, the area enclosed between the circumference of two concentric circles is 3, 4. So this area is given to you. This area over here is given to you as that area ring is equals to 346.5 centimeter square. Okay, 346.5 centimeter square. The circumference of the inner circle is 88. So it is given that the inner circle, so inner circumference is equals to 88 centimeters. So we know now that 2 pi small r is equals to 88. So r is equals to 88 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So that cancels to 2. So that is r is equals to 14 centimeters. Now we know over here that area ring is equals to pi r square minus r square. So that is 346.5 is equals to 22 upon 7 into r square minus 14 square. Right? So this gives me as 3465 into 7 upon 10 into 22 because ये point को मैं 10 ले लिया is equals to r square minus 196. So this can get divided by 11. So 11 2s are 11 3s are, and then 16 is 1s are, and then 15s are. That's okay, fine. This way, and further we know it will be 315 into 7, or else we'll do one thing. ठीक है, कैसे कर देते हैं? 315 into 7, 7 5 are 35, 7 1 is 7, 8 9 10, 7 0 21, 22. So it will be 2205 upon 20 is equals to r square minus 196. So this is, when you divide it by 2, you get it as, this will be 10 and this will be 110.25. Sorry, 1102.5. So that will be equal to 110.25 is equals to r plus 196 is equals to r square. So there will be r square is equals to, giving you as 0.25, 6, 9 plus 1, 10, and then it will be 306.25. Right, so this 306.25 will have to do prime factorization. So it will be 30625. You do the prime factorization. So you start with 5 for easy calculation. 5, 6 are 30, 1s are, and then 12s are, 2s are, and then 5s are, 6 again, or 5 again. That will be 1s are, 2s are, 12, so it is 2s are again, and then 5. Again 5 will be 5, 2s are, 22, 4s are, and then 5, and then again 5, then 5, 4s are, 20, and then 45 will be 9, and 7, 7, 7, 1. So that will give me as r square is equals to, it will be 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 upon 100. So r will be equal to 5 into 5 into 7 upon 10. That is going to be 35. 7 5 35, 35 5s are. So it will be 25 into 7. Oh, 175. So 175 upon 10 is equal to 17.5 centimeters. Got it? So the radius of the outer one will be 17.5 centimeters. So this was sum number 11. You can see mainly the calculations are the main things over here. If you remember the formula, then there is no problem in these sums. These sums are very easy if you remember the formula. But if you do not remember the formula, it's a complete zero because you will not be able to go ahead at all. So any formula taken it wrongly, or you are doing any kind of a mistake by not solving not remembering the formula, then you are gone. But if you remember the formula, then the things are just simple calculations. We now move on to sum number 13. So that's sum number 13 now. The sum of diameters of two circles is 14 and the difference of the circumference is 8. Find the circumference of the two circles. So that's a tricky question, and there's sum of diameters. So we can take that capital D plus small d is equal to 14. We're taking the two things over here. Now we know that circumference is equal to 2 pi r, which can also be taken as pi d, because 2r is nothing but d. So therefore we know that given that the difference of the circumference is 8 centimeter, that means pi capital D minus pi small d is equals to 8. So you can see that you are getting over here two equations, simultaneous equations, which you can solve, right? So what I need to do is multiply this by pi. So it will be pi d plus pi d is equals to 14 pi. Pi d minus pi d is equals to 8. This gets cancelled. So 2 pi d is equals to 14 pi plus 8. Got it? So solving this thing, we'll do one thing, we'll take it as 22/7 and do it. So it is 2 into 22/7 into d is equals to 14 into 22/7 plus 8. So that's 2 is a. So d will be equal to, so here it is 44 plus 8. 44 plus 8 is 52. So 52 into 7/2 into 22. So 26 and then 13 and 11. So that will be 7 3 is 21, 7 8 9, 9/11. So that will be capital D is 91/11. And okay, you need to find out one sec. Okay, they asked us to find out. Okay, we'll keep it this way right now, but then I'll give you a shortcut also. So they have given you the d as 91/11. So you can put that in this equation as d plus d is equals to 14. So 91/11 plus d is equals to 14. So d is equals to 14 minus 91/11. So it will be 14 into 140 and 154. So 154 minus 91/11. That will give me as 1, so 3 and 9, and now 63/11. That's a small d. So therefore C1 is equals to pi d is equals to 22/7 into 91/11. So that will be 2 and 7 13 91. So that will be 26 centimeters. And C2 is equals to pi small d is equals to 22/7 into 63/11. So that's 2 and this 9 is equals to 18 centimeters. Okay, this is one way of doing it. If you don't want to strive too much, but अगर shortcut चाहिए, तो you can see over here that this is pi d. I got over here pi d is equals to this much. So that itself is the circumference. So I just divide this by 2. So you can see over here. I'll just show you over here. You got 2 pi d is equals to 52. That is 2 pi, 14 into pi. 14 into pi was how much? 4 cancel करके 44 plus 8 मिला. That is 44 plus 8. So that means pi d is equals to 52/2. So pi d is equals to 26. That is what exactly we got over here. And then you know the difference between these 8, so automatically the other one will be 26 minus 8, 18. So this is much simpler, but in case it doesn't strike you that you could have made it so easy, you can always go for this long method, not a problem. It hardly takes 2 more minutes to solve the sum. But otherwise, if you can remember this thing or if you can understand this thing properly, then much advisable, because half of the calculations are being lost if you do this thing. So that's why it will be this way, pi d is this way, and then you retain this way, pi d plus pi small d is equals to 8. So we know that 26 plus pi d is equals to 8. So pi small d is equals to 8, minus 8 minus 26. So minus pi d is equals to minus 18. So circumference C2 is equals to 18. The C1 is equals to 26 centimeters. So you can use this method also, or you can use this method also. It's your choice, not a problem. Both are correct. So that was sum number 13. We now move on to sum number 15. Sum number 15, a copper wire when bent in the form of a square. Okay, so now we have got is a copper wire, and that wire we are going to bend it in the form of a square and have some area, and then we are going to open it up and convert it into a circle. So basically एक simple type का sum है. So what they say is that a copper wire is bent in the form of a square and it was the area of 121. So a long line of wire is there. इसको एक square के form में bend किया, तो you know that the area is 121. So you can know the side. Once you know the side of the square, you know the perimeter of the square. If you know the perimeter of the square, you know the length of the wire. Then what happens? If the same wire is bent in the form of a circle, so you know the length of the wire and you are converting into a circle, that means you know the perimeter of the circle or the circumference of the circle. Okay? The length of the wire is the circumference of the circle. So that's what we need to have over here. So 15 sum, we have area square is equals to a square. So 121 is equals to a square. So a is equals to 11 centimeters. Okay? Therefore, perimeter is equals to 4 into a is equals to 44 centimeters. Therefore, length of wire is equals to 44 centimeters. Therefore, circumference of circle is equals to 44 centimeters, because the same square which was the length of the wire is now a circle. So that is going to be the same. You need to find out the area now. So we know that 2 pi r is equals to 44. So r is equals to 44 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So that gives me 7. Therefore, area is equals to pi r square is equals to 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 is a 14 and 14, 15. So 154 centimeter square. So that's the area of the circle which is enclosed by the wire. So the wire is going to make a circle of the area equal to 154 centimeter square. We now move on to sum number 17 ka A. The 17 ka A. Find the circumference of a circle whose area is 16 times the area of a circle with diameter 70. Okay, good. So what is given over here is in sum number 17a, find the circumference of a circle whose area is 16 times the area of a circle with diameter 7 centimeters. So you have got over here that d is equal to 7 centimeters. Therefore r is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeters. So area is equal to pi r square is equal to 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. That cancels to as 77 upon 2 centimeter square. Area big circle is equal to 16 into area small. It is given that the area of the big circle is 16 times the area of the diameter is this one. So it is 16 times. So area big is equals to 16 into 77 upon 2. What is the area? That is nothing but pi r square. Because I need to find out the circumference, so I need to find out r. So pi r square is this much. So r square is equals to 16 into 77 upon 2 into 7 upon 22. Pi goes here. So that makes it 2, so 8, then 4, then 11 and 7. So that will give me as 7 into 2. So R will be equal to 14 centimeters. 4 is a square number, so 2, 7, 7, so 7. So 7 into 2, 14. Therefore, you need to find out the circumference. So circumference C is equals to 2 pi R is equals to 2 into 22 upon 7 into 14. That will be giving me as 88 centimeters. So the circumference of the circle, which was 16 times the area of the circle of diameter 7 centimeters, is nothing but 88 centimeters. So circumference is 88 centimeters. That was for 17A. We now move on to sum number 18. Okay, we move to sum number 18. In the adjoining figure, okay, I think I will need more space. So let's draw the figure first. Okay, this is the condition. Given that ABCD, so this is A, B, C and D is a square of side 21. So of course this is 21, so automatically the diameter is also 21. Right? And AC and BD are the two diagonals of the square. Two semicircles are drawn on AD and BC as the diameter. Okay, find the area of the shaded region. So you need to find out the area of the shaded region. So first of all, we see that area shaded is going to be equal to, now this is dividing the whole square into 4 parts. The diagonals divide the whole into 4 parts, and out of that we need to 2 parts. So it is equal to twice, or we can say just say that half of area square plus 2 into area semicircle. So 2 semicircles plus half of the area of the square is what we need to find out. What we have over here is area half into 21 into 21 is the area of the square, plus 2 into pi, 2 into 1 upon 2 pi r square. So here 2 gets cancelled. So this will be 21 into 21 is 441 upon 2 plus this will be 22 upon 7 into this will be 21 upon 2 into 21 upon 2. Because the radius is, diameter is 21, so the radius will be half of it. So according to the diameter, so we can write over here, initially we should write it over here. D is equals to 21 centimeters. Therefore R is equals to 21 upon 2 centimeters. Better रहेगा. Okay. So this cancels to 3, this cancels to 11. So this is going to be 441 upon 2 plus 21 into 33. So 21, 33, 3 and 6, 6, 3. So 693 upon 2. So adding it up to will be 693 and 441. So 4, 3, 11. So 1134 upon 2, that is 567 centimeter square. That's the area of the shaded region of sum number 18 is 567 centimeters square. We now move on to sum number 19. As alternate sum, we'll be doing the second sum, that is 19b. So we say sum number 19b. In sum 19b, we have got a square of centimeters and find the area of the shaded region. So it's this way that this is a square and there are 4 circles, 1, 2, 3 and 4. You need to find out the area of this region, okay, this part. This is what you need to find out. So we know that area shaded is equals to, let's formulate a formula over here so that it's easy for us. Area shaded is area of square minus 4 into area of circle. Okay, they are given us that the length of the square is 14 centimeters. So that means distance this from here to here is 14. So from here to here will be 7. So automatically the diameter is 7. So we have over here that diameter is equal to 7 centimeters. Therefore radius is equal to 7 upon 2 centimeters. So area shaded. So this is what we needed. Area shaded will be equal to, area is equal to 14 into 14 minus 4 into pi r square. So it is 196 minus 4 into 22 upon 7 into 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2. So 7 can cancel, 4 gets cancelled here. So that is going to be as 196 minus 154, that will be equal to 242 centimeter square. Okay, so sum number 19 ka second is 42 centimeter square. That is area of this in between areas. कि जो भी सर्कल कट करने के बाद में जो बाकी का बचा है वो कितना रहेगा? That will be 42 centimeter square, because area of the square minus area of the 4 circles will give you the resultant area what we require. So that was sum number 19 ka second. We now move on to sum number 20 ka first. Okay, sum number 20 ka first. They given us a figure, so let's draw that. There is a semicircle and there is another semicircle like this, such that distance from here to here is 14 and this is also 14. So you can see over here this small r is equal to 7 and this will be the big R is equal to 14. Got it? So this way that capital R is equal to 14 centimeters and small r is equal to 7 centimeters. You need to find out the area shaded. Right, find out the area and the perimeter of the shaded area. Okay, we need the perimeter also. So yeah, we need to take that. First of all, area is equal to area big semicircle minus area small semicircle. That will be 1 upon 2 pi r square minus 1 upon 2 pi r square, small r square. Okay, so that will be equal to 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14 minus 1 upon 2 into 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. So this 2's are, this cancels, this 11, this 11. So that will be as 22 into 14, so 14 and 22, so 8, 308. So 308 minus 77. So 77, so 1 and then 10, so 3 and then 2. So it will be 231 centimeters square. So the answer for the area will be 231 centimeters square. Now we need to find out the perimeter. For the perimeter, it will be this part plus this part plus this part. Understood? I'll draw it in a different manner. This perimeter is this part plus this part plus this part. That is the perimeter of the shaded region. So that will be perimeter is equals to perimeter big plus perimeter small plus capital R. So that will be pi R plus pi R plus R. So that will be 22 upon 7 into 14 plus 22 upon 7 into 7 plus 14. So that's 44 plus 22 plus 14. That's 66 plus 4 is 70, 80. So it will be 80 centimeters. Understood? Perimeter of the big one. So this one was, we are not taking the base one over here. It's only the circular part. Circular part is 2 pi r, half will be pi r. Okay, that's why we are taking only pi r. Here again we are taking the smaller one, pi r. And then this is the standing line, which is nothing but equal to the capital R. That's why we are adding 14. So that's why the answer will be 80. We'll just check it out. Sum number 20A. Yeah, it is 231 and 80. Nice. Okay. So that was sum number 20. I think. Okay, I'll stop here. We'll continue from sum number 21 in the next video.